see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually going to be covering partial drop list of what's going to be coming out for week 14. We don't have the full drop list. We honestly don't even have that many items that are going to be releasing, but I just felt like I should go ahead and make this video for you guys right now because I do want to post since it is Tuesday, and I'm going to have the full drop list for you guys tomorrow. I am going to cover the Waves collection that's going to be coming out, the little tool cart, but without any further ado, if you do end up enjoying this video, slap a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content, click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video, and also make sure you click that Gleam link at the top of the description or in the description if you want to enter a 5-winner Supreme giveaway, including a Motion logo, 2 Supreme tees, Supreme Oreos, and a Supreme shoulder bag. You definitely don't want to miss out. You just got to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my girl's channel, and click the Gleam link, and then you'll be entered in the giveaway. But let's go ahead and get straight to it. So the first thing that I want to talk about is the rumor that the Zippo might be restocking this week. Honestly, this isn't confirmed as of yet, but a couple weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken, we did see something restock. I forgot what it was, honestly, but I'm gonna try to think of it while I'm editing, and I'm gonna put it up here if I remember. And I feel like the Zippo might go ahead and do the same thing. They typically restock bags as well, but I don't know if they're gonna do that this season. The Zippo is fire though. I definitely did buy it when it first released, and honestly, I wouldn't even mind picking up a second one just so I can actually use it. But that piece is definitely fire. The first official piece from the drop list that I want to talk about are the Waves jeans that are going to be coming out. Those look so fire, dude. I love the print on it. It just looks like it works on some pants. I really do like the Supreme branding that they put on it. It's not like super loud, but it's still there, if that makes sense. I am a big fan of it. Honestly, I'm a fan of like the colorful green, blue, red, and white color. I'm also a big fan of the koi fish that are on there, if those are koi fish. I really do love this piece in general though. I feel like it's something that would look so clean if you wear like some Air Force Ones or some simple colored sneakers and a simple top with some loud pants. Definitely would work perfectly, especially white sneakers and a white shirt. This will be a killer outfit, something simple. But next up, we got the Waves long sleeve top. This is one that I would actually decide to go for. I feel like retail on this one is going to be around $88, which is kind of steep for a long sleeve shirt, but at the end of the day, it is a top, so the quality is better than any other Supreme tee. I really do like this piece nonetheless. I love the fact that the branding is right there around the stomach area. Pretty cool in my opinion. The colors that they did on it are also fire, but I honestly don't know how I feel about that black with the brown color. It's cool, but I don't know if it's doing it for me. After that, we got another piece that I feel like is gonna resell like crazy, and it is the Waves work jacket. I feel like some work jackets or like fleece jackets end up doing crazy when it comes to resell, and this might not be an exception. I feel like this one is gonna do great. This is probably gonna be one of those pieces that sells out within 6 to 10 seconds. Probably one of the ones that you shouldn't sleep on this week, because in all honesty, I feel like this is one of those pieces, bro. This is definitely one of those that you do not want to miss out, and if you do, you're gonna be like, fuck, I should have copped that. This is a fire design in general though. I love all the pieces that they dropped with it, even including the Waves crusher. I feel like the crusher is fire for the summertime, bro. Pull this out with some cool looking pants, some chill ass shit for the summer is perfect in my opinion. I feel like resale wise, you probably won't see too much resale on all of these items, but definitely on that work jacket, maybe the long sleeve, and maybe the pants. I definitely feel like the work jacket will have 100+ resale on it. That's almost a guarantee. But now we're gonna get into the 2 final items from the actual Supreme drop list. I know there's not a lot to talk about yet, but I will try to cover as much as we have so far. We got the Waves ceramic bowl. This is one of the things that I've been wanting since I saw the lookbook the first time. Honestly, I wish you could buy more than one of these because I really would pick up a whole set if it was possible. This is something to just eat some cereal in, prepare some French toast batter in, you know, like I fucking love French toast, dude. But ceramic bowl is definitely a vibe. I love the koi fish on it, that box logo at the bottom. This is kind of like fine china in a way, so I am a fan of this. I just wish I could buy more than one. I also wonder how big this is as well. It says 8 inches by 3.14 inches. It looks cool though. But now we're gonna get into the final piece for this week, which is this workstation. This is probably gonna be worth like $5,000, and before I fully get into it, I do want to say that if you guys are interested in buying any piece from this week, I would recommend you guys to go ahead and check out Addict.io. They are the most reliable iOS bot, and there's definitely not that many out there, and if they are, they typically don't end up cooking up every single week like Addict.io. They have been cooking up like crazy recently, and I do recommend you guys to check it out. I'm gonna show some proof right here for you guys. I've got DMs from people who succeed. Obviously there's people who can't cop, and that's normal, bro. Like, it's not gonna be 100% guarantee that you will get these items, but this definitely boosts your chance. I would say go manual, use Addict.io, and you probably will have a successful Supreme week. So if you are interested in copying some of these items, definitely go ahead and check out Addict.io. You can also use my promo code for 10% off. I will put it right here for you guys, and if you don't have the $117, you can go ahead and divide it into 4 different payments of $32 if I'm not mistaken, which definitely isn't that bad. If you end up copying one piece, for example the jacket, you resell that and you made enough money to pay for the bot and some, and that's honestly what I like about this. It's a one-time payment. You don't have to keep paying this shit. You buy it and it's yours forever. Obviously don't get frustrated if you don't cop, because every single week you won't be able to cop. There's a bunch of bots out there, and literally 1 to 2 bots cop every week. It's MechPreem, I forgot the other one honestly, and those are desktop bots which are worth over $1,000, so you can't even compare it honestly. But if you guys are interested in Addict.io, make sure you go ahead and click that link in the description, use my promo code, and if you have any questions, just DM me on Instagram. It's right there. But without any further ado, let's talk about this workstation, which honestly, bruh, the shit is so fire. If I had a garage or I was into fixing cars, I would definitely go for this piece. It's just a fire ass item. I love the big boy items that Supreme typically drops, even though it's out of my price range. Like, quite honestly, this workstation is probably worth half of what I'm trying to spend on a car, and this doesn't make sense for me to go out the way and buy this when I'm probably not gonna end up using it as much as I should. I mean, if you work at a body shop and this is what you love doing, then I understand why you would want to go for this. But for me, it's definitely a hard pass. It's probably going to be impossible to buy online anyways. But I am going to talk about a couple sneakers like I used to do back in the day when I didn't have that many Supreme items. There's going to be these top 3 2.0 Jordan 1s. Honestly, bro, these are kind of better than the first ones. I feel like these are definitely more wearable. The 1.0s are probably the one that you would like to have simply because it's the 1.0. It looks clean, but it's a lot going on that one. I feel like on this pair right here, you can definitely wear it way more. It has that black toe front, and then it has the red and blue on the back. This is so clean in my opinion. These are going to be dropping holiday 2020. This is a rumor, so we don't officially know, but these shits are fire. In late 2020, we're supposed to see this Air Jordan 1 patent leather silver toe. I don't know how I feel about this one. This is kind of a little bit too loud for me. I just don't see myself wearing something like this. It's too loud. It's kind of like the Fearless ones. They're cool to look at, but they're more harder to wear. The leather isn't soft. They're not as comfortable. It's just a lot going on. These are supposed to release late 2020, which is pretty clean. We're going to talk about 1 or 2 more Jordans, then we'll get straight up out the building. In spring 2021, we're supposed to be seeing these Jordan 1 Arctic Punches. These kind of have like the same colors from the rust pink Jordan 1s that dropped in Art Basel. Those are going for like $8,000, which is ridiculous, bro. Like, I wouldn't even pay that much for a sneaker ever. Let me not say ever, because I might be rich one day. $5,000 plus for a sneaker. They could smoke a ball sack. Like, I'm good on that. These Arctic Punches are pretty cool. Once again, these are releasing spring 2021 for $170. I feel like they've been pumping Jordan 1s out like crazy, bruh. There's colorway after colorway. They're kind of like the Yeezy 350 V2s at this point, but that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And also make sure you go ahead and click that 5 winner giveaway link, which is the Gleam link, which is under Addict.io. Just click that if you want to have the chance to win 5 Supreme items. There's going to be 5 different winners, and you definitely do not want to miss out on that. But I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.